Hello guys, how are you? So I welcome you all in today's live VC, in today's live on YouTube. Okay guys, so let me first confirm it. Okay. So guys, we are here. In last 1 week we are in a downtrend. This was a nice bounce from our area of interest, which I am already marking from 2 months. Here you can see. Now the area to watch is this upper trend line. For next major, you can see the next major resistance is this trend line, from which we have already seen 2 times a bigger downfall from this resistance only. And now I am watching for this resistance over here. Wait, now I'm watching for this resistance. Actually this is wall zone. You can see this is the wall zone. I'm watching for reaction and resistance area. So and closely examine, you can see we are in bull flag. We are in a bull flag formation. So let me show you in 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, we was in downtrend as I expected, from which we gave a nice breakout. This inverse head and shoulder play out nicely, which I have already mentioned in last YouTube live. Now we are rejecting from this resistance. You can see let's go to 1-hour time frame. In 1-hour time frame, it was clearly a resistance area. Let's forget my bet before time. Let's have just look at this moment. We was unable to break this area, and again the price dropped to the major demand zone, which is over here. You can see now this was our major demand zone over 1905 to 1903, as I mentioned in my tweets. Voice is too low. Okay, let me check. Oh, just wait. Voice is too low. Settings are okay. Hello. Maybe I should I should speak a little bit louder. Okay, is it clear? Okay, wait. We just finish this and then we will talk. So we was in bigger time frame. In 1-hour time frame, we are just ranging in the measure this channel. We was ranging in this channel, then we can't able to break out of this and just broke down below, and demand zone was tapped. Now we are again in range. At a demand zone we have just a nice bounce. As this bounce, you can see in 30 minutes we can see that buyers are here. We have already taken long over here and our TP was here, but we just flipped that resistance and now we are at support. So if I want to buy it, I will just wait for some pullback, and now my next TP will be over here 1970, and if we flip back, the major supply zone is here now in 15-minute time frame. Oh, sorry. You can see this is the major supply zone. Now we need to clear it. We need breakout of it for upper resistance area, which we already mentioned that we are watching for this area for major resistance and major pullback area now. So I'm expecting small pullback and again pump, but if we break this low, then forget, we are just in downtrend again, because in 1 hour time frame we have just made this a new higher low. Sorry, this is new higher low. This was our previous higher low. This is new higher low. Now we may need to make a new higher high. This is the higher high, and now we need to break it and make a new higher high for uptrend, and I'm expecting it nearly this areas. And if we put fib on this, you can exactly see what I mean. See 0.5 area. This is the major resistance area. I want it to tap and then again reject. So I'm waiting for small pullback for again buy opportunity. Until we break this low, I am bullish on gold, because rejection is very bullish. This demand zone rejection was very bullish. Buyers are here, we can see, and now I need upper zone for rejection areas. Now if you can see that we have already bounced in these areas. See, you can clearly see this. We are bouncing on this trend line. We need to hold it. We need to hold it for upper movement. So if you are taking any long over here, your SL should be below this demand zone. Now you can see we need just above it. We just need price to break above it, this zone and this middle trend line, then we can expect this price. So this is the plan for next week. I guess you will just follow it and have a good amount of profit. Now you can ask your questions if you have any. My work is done over here, guys. The chat is open. You can ask any questions if you have any. Hello. See, another one thing, if you put fib in all levels, then in 4 hour we haven't break 0.223, 6 area. We have not break this 2 3 6 area. See, we are just staying above it. Price is just staying above it. Long from 1930. Yes, you can, but just wait for confirmation, buddy. Not I'm just not asking you to long blindly. Just major resistance is this. If you are longing from 1913, but your SL will be very big. Yes, 19 and 30, what we are expecting. I just need a price to stay above it and touch this area. If price reject from here, I will short it for a small time, and again it will test 1908. If price rejects from here, it will again test this area. For next week, this is the area you can short, and if you flip, then the rejection can be done from here. So wait for confirmation. You should take confirmed trade. Don't take any trade blindly. Books to learn trading. Yeah, I have never seen any book, but just I have just seen basics on some YouTube videos, and I don't even remember from where I did learn all these things. Just practicing makes you perfect, nothing more. Another thing, on BTC update, I was expecting to BTC to go on this line, but it looks very bad, and price action is very bearish. So if we get a small pullback and rejection from this zone, it can be directly sold. BTC is bearish. This zone is very bearish now, because this price action was very much poor. We need to break above it for our main target, which we are expecting on this CME gap chart. CME chart, I was expecting it to fill this gap completely, but it is just rejecting from it. See, I was expecting it to fill this wall chart. We are rejecting from it. Okay, Daxi. I have Daxi update. So in Daxi we have just break above this wedge, rising wedge, and now we are aiming for much higher prices. Around first is 104.7 and another one is 105.3. These are the two major zones I am watching in Daxi. As I said, at this zone Daxi will reject. We are in long position, means I have said the Daxi will go up from this zone, and we have already rises very much from here. You can see Dax is still having strength. Now it can go up. It is just retesting over here. You can see it is just retesting this trend line, which it just break. In monthly chart, wait, you want to see gold in monthly chart? Where you are watching monthly chart is bearish. We are not bearish until we break this low in monthly chart. We are still in, this chart is still bullish. Monthly chart and weekly chart both are bullish. This is not bearish. Until we break this low, gold is bullish. And this liquidity also pending. Here, but big players are unwinding their long position over here. I know they are just closing their longs and opening shorts slowly. So I'm expecting this zone very soon. From rejection over here, my expectation are this zone. Okay guys, any other questions you have? So this is all for it. This is the next week plan I have just shared with you. And now guys, I just want to know, you can see this very bullish price action over here. Okay, so I'm just closing this live, and thank you for joining guys. See you in next week. This is the Monday update. Trade accordingly, and thank you for joining guys. Okay, bye.